Top 10 coffee shop in Spokane, 1. Brew Peddler, 5, 133 reviews, East 29th Avenue Apartment 3, 2 Roast House Coffee 4.9, 271 reviews, East Cleveland Avenue, 3 Arctos Coffee and Roasting Company 4.8, 463 reviews, North Hamilton Street, 4 Cedar Coffee 4.8, 378 reviews, North Monroe Street, 5. The Blvd Coffee Company, 4.8, 366 reviews, West Northwest Boulevard, 6 Wake Up Call Union District Cafe 4.8, 211 reviews, East Sprague Avenue Suite 100, 7 Hatch Beaker Plus Burr 4.8, 137 reviews, West Main Avenue Suite 3, 8 Pitotti Coffee Roasters 4.8, 75 reviews, West Garland Avenue, 9. BRU Coffee House, 4.7, 200 reviews, North Division Street, 10 White Dog Coffee 4.7, 106 reviews, East Sprague Avenue.